Hey guys, Thomas here. Here we are Friday on the eve of this biggest drop in equity futures, I believe, in the last 2 years. A lot of stop run activity to the sell side. And even within this stop run activity here today, this wide range with the volatility expanding, also comes range expansion. There was actually some stop run activity to the buy side as well on mostly the smaller time frames. And, again, just like in yesterday's video, I talked about me having the mindset of really focusing in on looking for spots to be a seller. Same thing today. Very bearish, looking for spots to be a seller, but yet there was some stop run activity to the buy side. Here's a good example. Right about 12:30 or so Eastern, we had a stop run on the smaller time frames, 4R, 3R, 2R. There was stop run activity to the buy side. Now, this stop run activity to the buy side here, and stay with me here, is actually coming up into push zones, previous push zones on the higher time frames, right? So here's this push up into this 96.50 area, which is right here on the 16R. You see a previous push zone. We also have a push zone here on the 8R. So we had some good reasoning to suspect and anticipate stop run exhaustion here and get ready to look for shorts. But you know what the crowning feather in the hat is here? The alert that I want to see, the clue that I want to see is this push zone come in, right? So basically, here's what we call a 1-2 punch. And essentially, a 1-2 punch is two big clues happening at once. And you might even call this a 1-2-3 punch because you also have the clue of the confluence of the higher time frame push zones. But just on the smaller time frame, we have this, you see this white star over here? This is what we call the trap traders alert. Now, when that trap trader alert fires off, it just tells us that conditions are ripe to see trap traders. Now, since this is happening on an uptick, we'd look for trapped buyers. But the two punch, right? That's the one punch. The two part of the punch is the push zone. So when you have trapped traders coming in here, trapped buyers, and then you get the push zone coming into the sell side, that's the 1-2 punch. Very high level of confirmation. And the opportunity sets up here for shorts as we anticipate that these trapped buyers are going to start to sell their positions at a loss as the market starts to downtick against them, right? So the two big clues here are the trap traders alert firing off, followed by the new push zone created to the sell side, right? Very important, guys. We look for ways to increase our odds. It just doesn't get better than this as far as seeing the confirmation that you want to see and understanding what's happening beneath the surface with these trapped buyers, with this stop run activity to the upside, right? And then you throw in the fact that you're coming into higher time frame push zones, right? 16R right here, 27.95, 27.96, 27.96 and a half, and the same thing here, right? Here is here is here. Trade patient, trade well. Any questions on this, guys, don't hesitate to email me. This is very important stuff. Have a great weekend, everybody. We will see you Monday. Hopefully for some continued volatility, which I, 99% expect to see, with continued expanded range and a lot of opportunities here. Take care, everybody.